Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm sure you all are doing well. I had shared two videos of direct and indirect speech, part 1 and part 2. I'm sure you all have watched. If not, pause the video here first. Go and watch part 1 and part 2 videos of direct and indirect speech. That will be a great help to deal with today's video, because in today's video you are going to solve the exercises based on the rules explained in part 1 and part 2. What happens when we change from direct to indirect? You all have understood. There are certain changes which we need to do it while changing from direct speech to indirect speech. Indirect speech is also known as reported speech. I'm sure you all are working hard and preparing for your exams. And this topic means direct and indirect speech topic is very important, starting from class 5 level to class 12th level. And I have covered all the levels in my video. So you must watch part 1 and part 2 and let's check how much you have understood. Just I have given you 5 sentences. I'll give you the hints. How can you change? So keep a notebook and writing material with you. Note down the question and try to solve them first by your own after getting my clues and hints. And if you have already understood everything from video 1 and video 2, then it will be very easy for you to solve it. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here I have just given 5 sentences. You just have to be very clear about the tenses. Narration means direct speech and indirect speech is very easy if you are clear with tenses. Whether reporting verb is in present tense, reported speech is in present tense or past tense. Okay, so let's see here. The very first example is, she will say, I liked to play chess. I hope you have written question number 1. And how will you change? Before changing, you have to understand this is reporting verb is in which tense. I'm not going to solve right now. You will be solving. I'm just giving you the hints. She will say. Reporting verb here is in future tense. Will say. Future tense. What happens when the reporting verb is in future tense or in present tense? The tense of reported speech does not change. First clue. Second thing you have to keep in mind that this first person I will change according to the subject of the reporting verb, and subject is she. So try to solve it. Second question. She says to him, you look handsome. She says to him, you look handsome. Here in this sentence, reporting verb is in present tense. So the tense of the reported speech is not going to change. Means it will remain in present tense only. Okay. But here you see you, which is second person, and will change according to the object of the reporting verb, and object is him. So you change it. Number 3. The teacher said, the stars twinkle. Here teacher said reporting verb is in past tense. So this side means reported speech should change. But whenever reported speech is a universal truth, universal fact, then there will be no change. Okay. So do it fast. Number 4. He said to her. He said to her. It's again in past tense, and said to her will change to told her. That already I have written. The plumber repaired the tap. You have to understand here repaired. This is simple past tense, and simple past tense changes to past perfect. Changes to past perfect. Okay, so you will change accordingly. And 5th sentence. The saint said, God helps those who help themselves. Again, here universal truth. गॉड हेल्प्स, गॉड उसकी मदद करते हैं, भगवान उनकी मदद करते हैं जो अपनी मदद स्वयं करते हैं. सो अगेन देयर विल बी नो चेंज ऑफ टेंस हियर. सो डू इट नाउ. I'm sure you have done it. Let's check now what you have done. See, honestly, put a cross if you have done wrong and understand the fact what mistake you have made. She will say, I like to play chess. She will say that. Now, I will change according to she. So, what will happen? That she and rest of the things. She liked to play chess. So, in this sentence, only the personal pronoun is being changed, but tense remains the same. It was in simple past tense, so this remains in simple past tense. Okay. Now, second sentence. She says to him will change to she tells him that, and now inverted comma will be replaced. You will be changed according to the object. So, she tells him that he, it is in simple present tense. So, you will remain in simple present tense. Why? Because the reporting verb is in present tense. Okay. So, here you will write he. Look will change to looks because he, third person. Okay. He looks handsome. He looks handsome. Now, number 3. The teacher said, the stars twinkle. It's universal fact. So, the teacher said that the stars twinkle. The stars twinkle. Okay. Now, fourth one. He said to her. He told her. He told her. Whenever there is an object, remember what do we do? Said is changed into told and we remove to. We do not use to. So, he said to her changes to he told her, and then in place of comma and inverted comma that. Now you have to check which tense here. Plumber repaired. It is in simple past tense, and simple past tense changes to past perfect. Past perfect. So, the plumber repaired the tap. The plumber had repaired. Please check your answers. The plumber had repaired the tap. The tap. Okay. And number 5. The saint said, God helps those who help themselves. It's very simple. I'm sure you all will be able to do it. So please write the answer of this question very specially under the comment section. I'm sure you have written the answer of this 5th question under the comment section, and you must have checked your answers whether it is right or wrong. If not, once again you will see and you will do the corrections wherever it's required and you will understand it. By the way, if you did not understand any part, you can write it in the comment section. I really love to see your comments. Your comments give me immense joy. So do write under the comment section. And if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it in order to get the notification on time. This video is very important for the students, those who are preparing for the competitions also. So if you want, you can share it with your relatives and your friends with the hope of meeting in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.